How to change statements to questions. What is a statement? A meaningful declarative sentence that is true or false. A statement is something that you say or write which gives information in a formal or definite way. Examples of statements. I go to the store. My brother does his homework. It is raining. I buy a gift. What is a question? An interrogative sentence is commonly used to request information. A question is something which you say or write in order to ask about a particular matter. Examples of questions. Do I go to the store? Does my brother do his homework? Is it raining? Do I buy a gift? Ways to change a statement to a question. Number 1. Moving the helping or auxiliary verb. Number 2. Shifting the being verb to be. Number 3. Adding does, do, or did. Number 4. Use a question tag to easily form a yes-no question. Number 5. Adding a question mark to a statement to express disbelief. Number 1. Moving the helping verb. Common helping verbs include have, has, and had. Additionally, words like should, would, could, might, may, and will are helping verbs. Reread the sentence to see if it has any helping verbs. Here are examples of sentences with a helping verb bolded. The teachers have treated us kindly. They had already eaten. She will win the fight. My cat would climb the tree. A pie can feed 8 people. We shall meet again. I was standing. Your brother has been growing quickly. Pay attention that this last sentence has 2 auxiliary verbs. Check for helping verbs in contractions. For example, in the sentence will go to school, will is a construction of we will. Will is a helping verb. Similarly, hasn't is a contraction of has not, and has is a helping verb. So, to make these statements into a question, move the helping verb to the front of the sentence, change the period to a question mark, and when speaking, make a rising intonation to the end of the sentence. If the sentence has more than one helping verb, only move the first one. Examples. Statement. The teachers have treated us kindly. Question. Have the teachers treated us kindly? Statement. They have already eaten. Questions. Have they already eaten? Statement. She will win the fight. Question. Will she win the fight? Statement. My cat will climb the tree. Question. Will my cat climb the tree? Statement. A pie can feed 8 people. Question. Can a pie feed 8 people? Statement. We shall meet again. Question. Shall we meet again? Statement. I was standing. Question. Was I standing? Statement. Your brother has been growing quickly. Question. Has your brother been growing quickly? Number 2. Shifting a being verb to be. Look for a being verb in the sentence. Being verbs are the be verbs such as am, is, are, were, and was. These verbs tell you a person's current state or what they are doing. Check the sentence to see if it has a being verb. Here are some example sentences with the being verb bolded. Move the beginning verb to the beginning of the sentence to form a question. Rewrite the sentence with a being verb at the beginning. Don't change any other words in the sentence. As before, when speaking, use a rising intonation at the end. Statement. It is raining. Question. Is it raining? Statement. We are hungry. Question. Are we hungry? Statement. I am going home. Question. Am I going home? Statement. You were there last night. Question. Were you there last night? Statement. The cat was playing with the toy. Question. Was the cat playing with that toy? Continuing with number 2. Look for the helping verb if you see the word being. The word being is a being verb, but it is typically used with a helping verb. Do not move being to the beginning of the sentence to form a question. Use the helping verb instead of being. Statement: we have been going to school for 10 weeks. Question: have we been going to school for 10 weeks? Statement: I have been studying physics for a long time. Question: have I been studying physics for a long time? Statement: I have been waiting for my results. Question: have I been waiting for my results? Statement: you have been working for that company for 10 years. Question: have you been working for that company for 10 years? 3.1 Adding does. Add does to the beginning of the sentence if the verb is in present tense. Check to see if the subject of your sentence refers to third person singular. Then make sure the verb is in present tense. If both of these are true, add the word does to the beginning of the sentence to turn it into a question. Then change the verb back to its base form by dropping the s from the end. Statement: my cat plays with a toy. Question: does my cat play with a toy? Statement: my friend takes the bus. Question: does my friend take the bus? 3.2 Adding do. Use do for first and second person singular and all plural person or subjects. Look at the subject to see if it's first or second person singular, plural, or you. Then check to see if the verb is present tense. If so, add the word do at the beginning of the sentence to change the statement to a question. Statement: I have a question. Question: do I have a question? Statement: they greet their teacher. Question: do they greet their teacher? Statement: the protesters call for a change. Question: do the protesters call for a change? Statement: you throw stones at my window. Question: do you throw stones at my window? 3.3 Adding did. Put did at the front of the sentence for simple past tense verbs. Check to see if your verb is in past tense. If it is, use the word did to transform the statement into a question, whether the subject is singular or plural. Add the word did at the beginning of the sentence and change the verb back to its base present tense form. Statement: he saved the cat. Question: did he save the cat? Statement: the sheep jumped over the fence. Question: did the sheep jump over the fence? Statement: he broke my oven. Question: did he break my oven? Tip: if the verb has a helping verb, use the helping verb technique instead. Number 4. Use a question tag to easily form a yes/no question. Question tags go at the end of the sentence to turn it into a question. Make a question tag using the word right, a helping verb, or a being verb. To turn the statement into a question, put a comma, then add the question tag. Leave the rest of the sentence the same. Here are some examples. Statement: she bought a new bicycle. Question: she bought a new bicycle, right? Statement: he was at the party. Question: he was at the party, wasn't he? Statement: they went to the store yesterday. Question: they went to the store yesterday, didn't they? Number 5. Adding a question mark to a statement to express disbelief. Adding a question mark at the end of a statement instantly turns it into a question. Change the period to a question mark when you are confused about what's happening. Typically, these questions have a yes/no answer. Here are some examples. You are going home? You are going home? She's a scientist. She's a scientist? We have school tomorrow. We have school tomorrow.